Cooking I Love Aceite today. Fernando Ortega is the founder and is here to give us a little 101 on a Spanish delicacy. When I first came in the studio and saw that, I thought, it looks like prosciutto, but it is not. You said this is better than prosciutto, right?
Yeah, this is a Serrano ham from Spain. It's kind of much better than the prosciutto. I think, I'm completely sure.
So the Spanish says that they do the ham better than the Italian.
Yeah.
In your opinion.
Yeah.
And all the Italian restaurant owners are watching TV going, no, never work out. Anyway, continue on. And you said you could take this whole ham and just cut it up and it would not taste the same, but you have to do it so delicately, right?
Exactly. For the reason we need a special tools like a knife like this. It's a jamonero and this special platform.
What is it called?
Jamonero as well.
Oh, it's also called that.
We say jamonero or jamonera.
Okay.
In our case, we say always jamonero. It's a jamonero knife to slice so thin, and we use another kind of knife to, when you finish, you need to cut everything and mark where you
cut on the sides.
Exactly, and always try to be straight.
Okay.
All right.
Because when you cut like this, it's like let's see.
Okay, so
Yes.
see, look at that.
Yes.
Okay.
Look at how thin
We
that
put
is.
this, and when you cut like this, you can put on different, like tomato or bread or fruit, even with cheese, and make a very, very typical tapa from Spain.
And it's got a very, very rich flavor to it and almost kind of a creaminess to it.
Yes, because it's cured. It's completely natural. We put on salt during 2-3 weeks, and after we cure in fresh air during 6 to 18 months.
And we've got a couple different ways to
Yes.
to assemble them here. So how are we going to do this?
Yes, we are going to prepare. The first one is with tomato, fresh tomato.
So just a little bit of a tomato.
A slide of bread.
All right. So
Okay,
put
so
a
here's
slice.
your tomato.
Thank you.
Two
Yes.
tomatoes for 2 pieces.
Yes,
there.
put a drizzle of olive oil, please.
Drizzle. Okay.
And that is, of
you put
course-
yes.
That is your olive oil.
Go, yeah, no problem.
Now, what makes the I Love Aceite olive
Yes,
oil so
exactly. It's
so
from
special?
Spain, yes.
So it's from Spain.
Yes, 100% made in Spain.
And that's it, right?
Yes,
So
exactly.
simple like that.
Yes, this is a very typical tapa.
Okay.
You can drink, you can eat, or with a beer or wine, or only for like an appetizer. And this is another appetizer you can prepare with the same way, with fruit. And I cut you a little bit for you.
And you've got the sweetness from the fruit, and then the acidity with the tomato.
Yeah, exactly.
And a little bit of olive oil in there. And
And you can
said
go
very
around
healthy.
and put like this.
And speaking
You
of
can-
olive oil, you also said the Serrano ham has similar characteristics in way to olive oil, as far as vitamins and things, right?
Yes, this is one of the most best thing that the ham offers. They have acid oleic, like olive oil, and a lot of vitamins, even iron.
And at your food truck, you have Serrano
Yeah,
ham
exactly.
like
In
that, right?
our food truck in San Antonio, the first food truck Spanish food truck in Texas, we offer a very, very special Serrano ham sandwich. And we prepare with homemade bread, fresh tomato, Serrano ham, manchego cheese, and a nice drizzle of extra virgin olive oil from Spain. Then the flavor is authentic and 100% made in Spain.
Something about wine, then, the
Right?
bread, the cheese, the
Yes,
wine.
because you said
the
wine
fruit, the
goes
ham,
good with
you-
the
everything's
Serrano
good.
ham.
Yeah, yes, of course.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Fernando Ortega with I Love Aceite. For more information on them, just head to our website, salive.com, and click on the As Seen on SA Live tab.